Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest way possible. No stress, no effort. Just listen carefully and watch the video several times. That's all you need to do to start learning and understanding naturally. In today's video, we're going to explore one of the most beloved and refreshing treats in American culture, ice cream. Have you ever wondered how ice cream became such a staple in the United States? Let's dig into the sweet and fascinating history of ice cream in America. Ice cream has a long and global history. While frozen desserts existed in ancient China, Persia, and even Rome, the version we know today made its way to the United States through European immigrants. The first official reference to ice cream in the U.S. dates back to 1744, when a guest of Maryland Governor William Bladen wrote about tasting a delicious ice cream at a dinner party. Ice cream became more common in the late 1700s and early 1800s, especially among the upper class. Even President George Washington loved it. Records show he spent over $200 on ice cream during the summer of 1790. It was a luxury item served at formal dinners and gatherings. Everything changed in the mid-1800s with the invention of insulated ice houses and the hand-cranked ice cream freezer. Suddenly, ice cream became more accessible to the general public, not just the elite. Ice cream parlors started popping up all over cities, offering people of all backgrounds a chance to enjoy this cold, creamy dessert. But it wasn't until the 20th century that ice cream became a true symbol of American life. During World War II, ice cream was served to American soldiers to boost morale. The U.S. Navy even built a floating ice cream barge to serve troops in the Pacific. When the war ended, Americans returned home with an even greater love for this treat. Then came the rise of iconic brands like Baskin-Robbins, Dairy Queen, and Ben & Jerry's, bringing new flavors, styles, and even social causes into the mix. From traditional vanilla and chocolate to cookie dough, Rocky Road, and butter pecan, ice cream has become a creative playground and a part of nearly every American childhood. Today, Americans eat more ice cream per person than almost any other country in the world. It's a treat for birthdays, summer afternoons, breakups, and celebrations. Whether it's in a cone, a cup, a sandwich, or a sundae, ice cream holds a special place in American hearts. Thanks so much for sticking with us until the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you won't miss the upcoming video feedback. It's an essential part of mastering both English and American culture. Give this video a like and share with your friends so we can keep growing and creating even better content for you. See you next time for another fun adventure.